welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Church urges voters to vote for truly secular party. Don't vote for communal leaders sponsored by corporate giants, appeals Church. Congress third list is out. Ravi Naik to contest from North and Reginald from South. Blow to the sitting MP Francisco Sardina. "43 years old Antoinette Rodriguez found dead at her residence at Guple Fatoda on Tuesday afternoon. Police investigating rape and murder angle. Lok Sabha poll nominations filing begins from Wednesday to go on till 26th. 29 March last day for withdrawal. And Dempo Cricket Club beats Salgaonkar Sports Club by 70 runs. Salgaonkar's innings collapsed after scoring 88 while chasing 159 runs. Saurabh Dubey and Gaurish Gavas man of the match. Now the news in detail. Church has issued a crucial press note on Tuesday evening for the Lok Sabha poll. Church has appealed voters to vote for a truly secular party. It has urged people not to vote for corporate-sponsored communal leaders. Church has further said that media too is focusing on one particular individual, as if this is a presidential election.
Church has issued a press note on the face of Lok Sabha poll. Press note is very suggestive. It says, "This is a call for every citizen to exercise her constitutional rights and duties to vote and revitalize a truly secular republic." This is Church's call for citizens for Lok Sabha poll. Corporate and communal forces have infiltrated in secular democratic fabric of country. Media focusing only on one person as if this poll is a presidential election. Lofty claims of good governance are a myth. Senior intelligence and defense personnel on retirement joined selected political parties, professing them to be the only nationalist parties. Act to build a truly vibrant, secular, democratic republic of the people of India. This press note says it all. Church has dropped this bombshell with just 3 weeks left for the Lok Sabha poll. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Congress has finally declared their Lok Sabha candidates. It's Ravi Naik from North Goa and Reginald from South Goa. Party has directed the workers to pull up their socks for campaigning. Meanwhile, State Congress have constituted a 18-member IT cell by scrapping the previous one. State Congress held its office bearers meeting on Tuesday.
Congress made their third and final list of candidates out on Tuesday evening. Ravi Naik will contest from North Goa and Reginald from South Goa. Sitting MP Francisco Sardina faced a big blow as his candidature has been rejected. Reginald has garnered huge support from his own party leaders and independent MLAs.
Goa, North Goa, Ravi Naik. South Goa, Reginaldo Lorenco.
Reginald is sure of triumphing South Goa seat. GPCC held meeting of its members on Tuesday. Congress is confident of winning both the seats. GPCC President John Fernandez has directed all the workers to gear up for the campaigning. Meanwhile, State Congress has set up an IT cell by scrapping the earlier one. New IT cell will be headed by Durgadas Kamath. This cell consists of 18 members. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent.
43-year-old lady from Guple Fatoda, Antoinette Rodriguez, was found dead in her house on Tuesday afternoon. Police are suspecting the cause of death to be strangulation. They are investigating the possibility of rape on Antoinette before murder.
The body of the female lady was found in her bedroom. We are sending the body for post-mortem. The exact cause of death will be ascertained only when the post-mortem is over. At present, we are investigating in all different directions.
Sir, kenna garane incident
Around 6 o'clock we came to.
Garan kon nashili.
कोण
ते एकल्यार रावताले.
न्ही ती रपताली आनी 2 भुरगीं रपताली. भुरगीं स्कुलाक गेल्ली. मागीर रिस्पॉन्स नाशिल्लो फोनाचेर. मागीर तेंचे रिलेटिव्स फायंड आवट केलें. फ्रंट डोर लॉक आशिल्ले इनसायड लॅच.
कितें डाउट्स बी कितें?
नो दॅट वी आर इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग.
भांगर बी कितें व्हेलें भितरलें सामान कितें?
ना कांय ना.
एक आमी पळयतात की फातोर्डा हांगाच सायडीन एक मल्टिपल थेफ्ट्स जाताल्यो. दिसा दवळ्या चोरयो जाताल्यो. आतां त्यो मर्डराचेर पाविल्ल्यो आहा. आतांच जाला. सो वी आर होपफूल पुलिसान ताजेर इमिजिएटली डिटेक्ट जावपाक गरज.
This is a serious thing. Kizalang, not only that the victim and the family knows what is the sufferings. First, it could be to divert attention. It could be to bring about. All angles have to be investigated by the police.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.